I'm the collector of cutlery, cutting up anybody. Took 'em fuck with me, everybody passing me like what's up with me. I look like I got a problem, I'm living in suffering, waiting for death and the dying of moments. I live for the highs and I die in the lowest. I fucked up my mind from dividing the petals on roses. The path of my life I had chosen. I'll take you to the woods and I'll show you how to eat. Now you living with the bugs, consuming what is disease. When I wanna get a buzz, I'll tie you up on a leash. You ain't never gonna make it in a cage with this beast. High all day like I've been smoking on plastic, melting my brain but not feeling fantastic. Leaking endorphins, so keep what's important. My instincts and natural reactions are rendered Jurassic. Remember what I told ya, don't cross my path, I'll fold ya. I'll break the bones that hold ya, show you a real soldier. All day I'm smoking Doja, I'm on my Motorola. I like drinking my soda, they like that Coca-Cola. Taste life in the air you breathing, ain't no taste, you a heathen. No smoke, I'ma pull up with a beating, talk 'em in once they sleeping. 5 bones, I feel conceited, my life's a joke, delete it. Wake up defeated, hoping I might die feeling completed. I ain't fed my dogs in weeks, tie you up against the trees. Cut your arms and legs to show my dogs you got some healthy meat. Welcome to your meet and greet, watch as you suffer, beat and ski on one another. Feed the feast to the beast for eternity. I ain't fed my dogs in weeks, tie you up against the trees. Cut your arms and legs to show my dogs you got some healthy meat. Welcome to your meet and greet, watch as you suffer, beat and ski on one another. Feed the feast to the beast for eternity. Soldier, all day I'm smoking Doja.